Hey everyone, now I will show you how you can set up Python in Visual Studio. So first you want to go to Chrome and type in Visual Studio, and you can just click on the first link here and click download. I've downloaded Visual Studio already, so I don't have to download again, but you can just complete the installer and download it. So for the second step, you can just go to Python, okay, click on the first link, and then go to this button here and click download. Okay, so now that it is finished downloading, you can just click on this and you can check both these check marks here. Click install now. Okay, so now the setup is installed. You can just click close. Now you can check if Python is fully installed or not by going to the CMD. Okay, and then you can just type in Python space -- version, and there you go, it is installed. And now you can open Visual Studio. Alright, so now you can just click on this file here and then go to open folder. You can create a new folder, let's call it Python. Okay, click select folder. Alright, so now you're in this Python folder here. You can just go here and click new file here. You can call it let's say demo.py, which is Python, and click enter. Okay, so now what you want to do is you go to this icon that is called extensions, and then you can search Python, and there you go, here's Python. You can click on it. You can check this auto update and you can click install, so you have a Python extension. Okay, so now I've finished downloading the extension, and you can click on this tab to go back, and let's try typing in print with a bracket and a semicolon. Let's call it hello. This is a test. There you go, and you can just click on this icon. And there you go, it is fully running. And yeah, so now you know how to set up Python. If you guys have any questions, you can just leave them in the comments below and I'll try to answer all of it. Thanks for watching.